Hi guys, I've had a couple of messages recently from people saying they had no idea I was doing any workshops in the UK, so I want to remind you about my Edinburgh weekend workshop. Edinburgh is a fantastic city for photography. It's 2 days. In day one, we will be spending time doing some crazy exercises, helping you evolve some skills and doing a lot of feedback sessions so that I can coach and guide you and help you grow in the areas that you need to. Day two is a photo walk throughout this amazing city where we can capture cityscapes, sort of landscapes, street photography. And I'm on hand to help you with any problems you may have along the way. All of these images are from previous Edinburgh weekend workshops. So if you'd like to find out all the information, please click the link in the top right of your screen. And I truly hope I get to meet you in person in Edinburgh. Take care.